Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Marie and today we'll be talking about what's in my purse. Here's my purse that I'll be talking about. It's a Neverfull MM ballerina rose interior. One of my parents bought this as a birthday gift, and I know it's a basic bag to many, but I absolutely love it. And it's pink. Like, how can you not love pink? Oh my gosh. So let's get into the purse. First thing I'll be showing you is my planner. I always keep my planner in here. It allows me to keep my life organized and it reduces anxiety, literally. And in my red book is how I jot down my ideas, my gratitude, my prayers, and I keep that with me all the time. To keep my purse interior clean and beautiful and pristine as it should, because this was a very expensive bag and I want to protect this investment that one of my parents gave to me. So I use a purse organizer. They're not expensive. Every woman should have one in her purse. And so here's what I keep in mind. So first I'll be showing you hand cream. I absolutely always keep hand cream in my purse. This is one of the Chanel hand creams. Pretty iconic, aesthetic. Everyone probably has it. It's not, okay, so it's a little pricey, but sometimes you just gotta splurge on yourself. So I did. Next, I always keep a hairbrush depending on what wig I'm wearing that day. Of course, you know, tampons, we don't gotta show that. Hand sanitizer, you know, during these trying times. Oops. Baby wipes. You can use these for anything, clean your hands, anything, honestly. Now I have another hand cream in here. This is the one I've always had. It's the coconut oil body lotion by Palmer. This is the one I used before I even bought this one. Always have sunglasses, you know, bad and bougie all the way. I keep nail polish on hand just in case I'm ever bored and want to paint my nails or I need to touch up. I haven't really figured out if I want to go to the nail salon yet, or if I just want to continue to do my own nails. So I just always keep this on hand depending on what I'm doing at the moment. Pens, of course. Pens and pencils. I'm still a student in college, you never know. Gum. This is where I keep my safety pins or spare earrings or jewelry so I don't lose them while I'm out, if I'm going to the gym, or honestly, just keep a little pouch in your bag and you're always just ready to go. My favorite thing in my purse is my compact mirror. It zoom in, okay, baby, it zoom in so you can see everything. It doesn't have to be one of these, but I do love it because it's just really nice. I can keep it a long time and it's just really beautiful. What else do I have in here? Of course, hairbands, nail glue depending on what I have on my nails, as I said before. Your girl loves some perfume. Now, don't sleep on Zara. This is Zara Wonder Rose. I think this is not in season anymore, but I absolutely love the smell and I always keep perfume in my purse, my wallet, and I think that's about it. That's all I got for you guys. So thanks for tuning in into what's in my bag. Please remember to subscribe, and in my next video I'll be talking about how to de-stress and relax throughout these COVID times, because you know your girl is going back to school, so I'm trying to ramp up my tips, how I de-stress in life, and I think it can really truly help anybody. So can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye.